Raider Power Tools presents Mitre saw for woodcutting RD-MS10. Serves as a table and a circular saw for mitre cutting precision. Workplace 380 by 265 millimeters. Vertical tilt head from 0 to 45 degrees. Rotary table with precise angle adjustment. Mitre guide. Parallel guide. Bilateral extension of the workbench with an integrated limiter.
Has its own dust extractor and has an option for connection of external dust collector.
Circular saw blade size 210 by 30 millimeters. Idle speed 4200 rads per minute. Maximum depth of cut 45 by 85 millimeters. Power 1200 watts. Weight 10.4 kilograms.